Family and Friends, 2nd edition, Starter.
Hello and welcome back to our English program. Let's continue on Unit 6, They're Bears. Today's lesson is Lesson 3, Sounds and Letters. Listen, trace, point, repeat. First, let's listen. Letter P. P, P, panda. One more time. Letter P. P, P, panda. Next one. Letter P. P, P, pen. One more time. Letter P. P, P, pen. Now, let's learn how to trace letter P's together. Grab your pens and start tracing. Letter P. Now, trace another P. Letter P. Now, listen and repeat. P, P, panda. One more time. P, P, panda. Next word. P, P, pen. Once again. P, P, pen. Now, moving on to our next part, listen and chant.
Polly is a panda. She has got a pen. P, P, P. P, P, P. Polly is a panda. She has got a pen. P, P, P. P, P, P.
Alright, after we're done listening to our chant, let's moving on to our next point. Stick, then circle and say. First, let's take a look at our sticker of our letter. We have sticker of letter P. Now, let's take a look at our pictures right over here. Where does this letter P belongs to? Is it here? Or is it here? That's right. This is the capital P, so let's stick it right over here. Then what about this letter P? Where do we stick it? That's right, we stick it right over here. Now, after we're done sticking the sticker, let's moving on to circle and say. Let's find the letter P in this sentence and circle them together. First, let's read through them. Polly is a panda. She has got a pen. Now, Polly. Do you find letter P in the word Polly? That's right. This is letter P. So grab your pencil and circle them together. Next, is a panda. Do you find P in the word panda? That's right. This is letter P. So get your pencil once again and circle them. Alright, moving on. She has got a pen. Now, have you spot one more letter P in this word? That's right, it's in the word pen. So get your pencil once again and circle letter P in the word pen. Now we have find and circle all letter P's in these sentences. So let's moving on to our next point. Colors the letter P. Let's take a look at this section right here. Consists of many letters that we learned from before. Now, get your favorite colors and find P's and color them together. Let's scan through them. Now, we have found our first letter P. So let's color them together. Alright, let's moving on. Oh, looks like we found another letter P. So let's color them. Alright, let's moving on. Oh, looks like we found the next P. So let's color them in together. Okay, let's continue to scan for more P's. We found another P, so let's color in the letter P. Now we found another P. Alright. Here, I found another P, so let's color in the letter P together. Alright. Continue to scan. And now, this is the letter P I found. Looks like we finally found all the letter P's in this letter. Have you found all the letter P's yet? If you found and colored them in all of it, then we have finally come to an end of our session for today. Thank you.